Hello, this is How To Bob, and I made this video to show you how to change the fuel door latch on a 2008 Chevrolet Equinox. Now you can see I opened the fuel door here. It's partially opened, and there's a little catch located right here, and you can see a little piece is broken off, so the corresponding piece on the door goes into that and it won't stay shut. So you can see this is the corresponding piece right here. So we're going to replace this piece down here. Here is the GM replacement part number, and you can see that it just slides right in. There's a catch right here and then one on the opposite side right here, and those just need to be pushed in. Real simple installation here. So I'm going to take a flat blade screwdriver. You might want to use something a little softer if you have something plastic that you can put in there just to keep from scratching any paint. And then I'm going to push on the one in the back, and it just simply pulls out. There's a little rubber gasket here, and the new one will come with the rubber gasket, and it just simply pushes in. And once that pushes in, I can then close my fuel door and it'll stay shut. And that's how you replace the fuel door latch on a 2008 Chevrolet Equinox. I'm How To Bob. Thanks for watching.